What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Buck Colin. Today we are going to be doing something new on this channel, and we're going to be unboxing the brand new Puffco Peak sky blue color. Y'all, this is something new we're bringing to the channel, burning, firing up. It's new coming to the channel, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. But let's go ahead and unbox this, y'all. Just picked this up from the store. So yeah, let's go ahead. I might have to get something to poke that. Here we go. Got it. Yeah, so I've been waiting to get one of these, y'all. I usually just dab with a normal torch and normal rig, normal dab rig, but now we upgraded, got us my first ever Puffco. Got a great deal on this thing too. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So it looks like it's got these two pieces of tape right here at the bottom as well. It says this side down, one opening. Okay. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to keep it all on the camera, but I'm also excited. Been waiting on this. Feel like a kid on Christmas. Okay, here we go. So supposedly this is also the box you keep it in too. So you don't throw out this box, y'all. So if y'all are getting a Puffco, do not throw out the box. You're gonna need it. But yeah, now let's get right into this thing. It's my first time seeing it, just like y'all. Oh, holy! Let me try to turn it so y'all can see inside of there. So it comes with the Puffco device itself, a dab tool, a charger, some what's it called, the toothpick things, or the ear things, ear plugs. All right, my first time picking it up, y'all. About to pull it out. See what this thing feels like. Holy crap! It's heavy, y'all. It's heavy. Definitely doesn't feel like it's made cheap. It's definitely pretty small and very cool looking. Let's bring it up close. It's got a little joystick at the front, so you move your concentrates around, and it pops open from the back end with a little finger open right here. So you just pop it open. And I'm gonna pull that out, but that's where you store your dabs. And then you close it up. The button is on the. Hold on, try to get the light off that. The button's right there, so you turn it on. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty cool. I guess I'm gonna leave this video running and take my first dab on it too. So this might be a long video, y'all. Hopefully y'all are enjoying it. I only made this video, wanted to make this video because I didn't get to see too many people that were doing unboxings of the new Puffco. So yeah, but yeah, let's pull out this little piece. Make sure y'all pull that out too. You got to. But yeah, this thing is slick looking, y'all. It's crazy. But yeah, so and then you're gonna want to go ahead and pop this off. Just like that. And then take off this little piece. Wait, it says remove before using, wash before use, align air hole with chamber. That's the fill line of water. Do not insert into base if water has collected in the bottom of the glass. Make sure y'all don't do that either. But yeah, let me look at this Puffco a little more, y'all. Shit is just the bottom, the base itself. Yeah, this thing is cool, y'all. It's definitely so small. It's like heavy too. It's nicely made. But let me go ahead and pour some water in here. Just to that fill line. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to focus. Okay, that should be good. It's right there at the fill line, I believe. Or maybe that's too much. Oh shit, I'm over here trying to pull on it when you gotta take this off. That's where they were talking about you don't want water piling up, is this little tiny, there's a little hole at the bottom right here. Y'all probably can barely see it, but you don't want water going there. Oh yeah, that flow is crazy. Holy shit, that's sweet. Alright, now we're gonna put it back in. So I see the dabs come from in there, which is inside of there, and then it goes through there. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and pop this back on. This video is getting pretty long. Got it back on. Let's give it a little dry rip. Hell yeah. I know it says you want to leave it straight down when you hit it. You don't want to be turning it. But yeah, let me open up that little chamber again. I want to look inside under it. Hell yeah. Alright, let's keep opening a few more items. Comes with this little dab tool. Little Puffco dab tool. Comes with USB-C charger. And last but not least, some Q-tips. And yeah, y'all, that's everything that comes in the box. Except for a little manual packet. Probably some stickers too. Let's see. I'm just reading this real quick, y'all. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It says you just click it 3 times, turn it on, drop your dab in, click it once and then find your setting. Or 1 time to get to your setting, twice to get it to start heating up, and then you start hitting it. It's pretty simple. So yeah, let's get our first dab in the Puffco, y'all. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. I'm excited for this, y'all. My first ever dab off the Puffco. Let me open up this damn Q-tips. Alright. Yes, sir. Alright, let me grab my wax and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So I don't have the hot knife, so it's going to be a little not as easy to drop the dabs in. But I still got the dab tool, so we're good. We're going to start our first dab in here, a good one, y'all. Like a good one. Try to show y'all what I'm about to drop in there. Put it close because it is pretty big. Alright, so let me make sure I went over the steps one more time to make sure I'm doing it right. It's 4 heat settings. Go back to the damn instructions real quick. We don't want the first dab to be wrong. Alright. Back to it. So many manuals. Shit comes with 3 manuals. Alright. So, you click it 3 times to turn it on. And then 1 time to adjust the heat setting. Okay. We're going to click it 3 times to turn it on. First, let's close that up if that matters. I don't know. Or not, we'll leave it open because I got to put the dab in there. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, y'all. Might have to charge this thing. Let me get the charger real quick. 1 second. Alright, we got the charger. It did say to plug the charger in first, but thought maybe it would come with the charge. Okay, so the light just came on and it's orange. Let's see if orange means anything. It's making the video longer. Okay, so it's on the middle setting. And it said you click it 3 times. Hold on, yo. Okay, so maybe you hold it to turn it on. So I just held it and it buzzed. Now hit it 3 times. Whoa, it just flashed. Okay, so that's green. That's red. That's white. That's blue. That's green. So I'm still learning this, y'all. Okay, so now I think we drop our dab in. I got it on green mode. We drop our dab in and hit it twice, I'm pretty sure. We're about to get our first dab in the Puffco, y'all. Drop that glob in. It's hard to get it in there. Alright, we got it in there. So now that we got our dab in there, we're going to close it up. And then double tap. Okay, so now I think you wait till it buzzes. I think it's heating up right now, y'all. About to take my first dab ever out of the Puffco. Waiting on a buzz here. Green light is on. Green light is on. There it goes. It just buzzed twice. Cheers, y'all. First ever dab out the Puffco. Oh, that's fucking great. It's ripping, y'all. It buzzed like 10 seconds ago again. I think that means when it stopped hitting, because then the green line went off again, y'all. But y'all just got to see my first ever Puffco rip. That shit made me sweat, y'all. Sweating. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. It went way longer than I wanted it to, but I had to learn how to do it, y'all. So y'all got to see how long it takes somebody to learn. It didn't take too long. I just had to get understand it a little, and I still am. But hey, hope y'all enjoyed this. Hit that like and subscribe. We're gonna have much more content like this in the future. It's Young Buck Collins. See y'all soon. Peace.